Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix an LG monitor when there is no audio or no sound. First, check your computer audio output settings. Your system may still be sending sound to the internal speakers instead of the monitor. On Windows, click the speaker icon in the taskbar, open the list of playback devices, and select your LG monitor as the output device. Play any audio to confirm if the issue is resolved. Next, adjust the monitor volume and ensure the built-in speakers are active. Many LG monitors include a joystick control underneath or behind the screen. Press it to open the menu, then navigate to the sound settings. Increase the volume level and make sure mute is turned off. Also check the input compatibility setting in the monitor menu. Go to Settings, then General, and find Input Compatibility Version. If it is set to 2.1 PC, change it to 2.1 AV. This can fix audio issues, especially with HDMI connections or Mac devices. Now verify your physical connections. Make sure the HDMI or DisplayPort cable is firmly connected at both ends. If you use DisplayPort and there is no sound, restart your computer and monitor after reconnecting the cable to refresh the connection. If you use an audio cable, confirm it is plugged into the correct audio output on your computer and the monitor's audio in port. Finally, update or reinstall your audio drivers. Right-click the Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Then right-click your audio device and choose Uninstall Device. Restart your computer and Windows will reinstall the drivers automatically. Thanks for watching.